part.
Yeah, so this is Hollywood Beach. It's the other side of the beach. Well, we'll drive here in the front. Mga houses right on the beach. So there's the beach right there. And then well, the houses here, mga mix, you know, anywhere from regular houses to multi-million-dollar houses. Like this one would be, you know, at least $1 million.
Mahal yan?
Yeah, these houses would at least $1 million, auntie. No less than $1 million. Because it's right in front of the beach. Pero, kasi paglabas yung nila, their back is the beach.
Oo, tama.
You know, like right here, see? Tignan mo yung back nila. There's the beach.
May tours rin dyan? Parang mag-swimming or something?
Yeah,
or
it's a public beach. You know, anyone can come and use the beach. Kaya lang, look at this, mga sand. Pag mahangin, grabe ang alikabok sa balay mo.
Yan, ang sun. Yan.
Beach.
Papasok sa loob,
It's a big stretch. And then naka-star kami on the other side. Actually, pauli ako, tamakulog ang bitis ko nga itong galaki chinelas.
Pag inatid siya ng school bus, hindi mag-isa lang siya sa bahay?
Hindi, dapat ditoon man ako kay Puhan, kasi di man digdi pwede ang na mag-solo sinda sa balay.
Bawal?
Oo, bawal.
Paano naman nila malalaman?
Well, they won't release her. They won't let her out of the bus.
Oh.
Kung ako duman, they take her back to school.
Oh.
Para security measures din nila.
Yeah. So this, this is residential.
Pilipino ito.
Residential.
Ayan, alikabok.
Yan, exactly. Puro araw puro alikabok. But actually, pag summertime, kasi karamihan ng mga bahay na ini, mga summer houses lang nila.
Oh.
They're only here on the summertime. Like around this time, it's empty. Mahiling nga mo dahil mga sa driveway, they don't live here all the time.
Ano lang talaga?
Mga mayayaman.
Katulad yung kapitbahay namin, niya lang, beach house niya lang itong Sabi ko, must be nice. Pag nanalo ako ng loto, mabakal man ako kaya. Vacation house. Yes, babe. There's cookies in there, crackers, in that brown box. Allison, are you hungry? Yeah. And then, well, I'll just drive all the way so you guys can see the harbor. This one actually, the other side, that's where we live on the other side.
Ah, okay.
And then what are they doing? Oh, they're just dredging. So what they do, yan ang mga tubo na yan, they're just trying to suck all the sand out para maghararong. Iraraining the marina. Because I guess pag grabe ang paros na araw kaini, like the sand gets dragged in, tapos nagsasayad ang mga boat.
Oh.
So they're dredging right now. So this is just the other side.
Ano tawag dito? Hollywood?
Hollywood Beach.
Hollywood Beach, okay.
All houses. Ang saro kong pasyente, actually, yung balay na yun sa kanto, naging pasyente ko ang inaninda. No? Tigsararo sindang level.
Wow.
Yung nanay niya nasa ground floor. Yung kapatid niya nasa second floor, siya nasa third floor.
Ate Claire.
Oh naman.
So she's the one driving. Mommy. And that's Allison at the back seat. Hi, Allison.
Hi.
You're on video.
I am.
Yeah. Okay. And this is me.